One of the few failures we've ever known on a Volvo 140, and it's fairly predictable, is the front lower shock absorber mount. We've already covered in an earlier video how to add the reinforcing plate to the lower wishbone, which stops it fatiguing, which stops the mount from fatiguing off and breaking free of the lower wishbone. The other aspect is that the bushes tend to wear out long before the shock absorber does. So let's go and have a look at that. Okay, so here they are out of the car, and there's something else to note as well besides the bush, is that this crossbar that secures it to the lower wishbone has a tendency to drift